I have some question. Yes, you can clear all question after that. Okay, everyone. So first of all, do some market recap in few pairs, right? And after that, let's do it some quick back testing. And end of the session, I will do question answer. So you can ask me later. Okay. Okay. So majority of the members trade in a GPUSD, Euro USD. Okay. So let's see. First of all, start from the GBP/USD chart as per our higher time frame picture in a 1 day to. Okay. So right now, this is a current situation in a GBP/USD, and everyone can mark here. Let me annotate the first decision. Okay. So everyone mark here structure. What's going on in a GBP/USD as per the daily time frame structure? Hello. Now everything is fine. We can't mark your screen. Annotate is enable. Can you see annotate button, everyone? Okay, I don't know what happening, but my side is showing enable. No duty webinar. Yes, maybe. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Yes, in a webinar, not possible to annotate. Okay, in a personal, in a Zoom meeting, we can annotate, but it's okay. So this is a GBP/USD chart as per our daily time frame structure. Start from the this one, lower lows, and again lower lows, lower high, pick the structure, lower lows, lower high, right here. And this is our change of factor, but this is a not change of factor, as we have already mentioned in a previous. This become our actual structure, which is a candle close of it, and this become our valid change of character, right? And we can take entry after taking out this inducement. First inducement is here because market take a pullback, and after taking out the pullback, our higher high confirm here at this point. Okay. And after taking out the inducement, we can buy. Again, market continue going higher high if market break this one right here. And right now, market create equal high if market create anything above it, right? If candle close above it, then we can mark this as a valid break of structure. Right now, market creating equal high. So in this situation, I have a two possible scenario. First one, if market taken out the liquidity, it taken out the equal high, then definitely we can sell for the short term, right? But if price candle close of it, then we can buy after taking out the inducement, something like this. Okay, continue go higher, taking out the inducement and go higher. Okay, and this become our new break of structure is here. But if market taken out this high and sweep this one like this, so we can sell here as per our entry plan. And this is a day one chart, correct? Switch again in a 15-minute structure to see exactly what happening here. And in a 15-minute structure, market in a range in right now, you can see here market totally in a range. And in this situation, we can trade based on the session timing and also based on the structure. If market taken out the previous session high or low, taken out the previous measure high or low, we can definitely take entry for the buy and sell. Okay. For example, here this high taken out here. Okay. So how we can identify this is a sweep here? When market close below it and create this one shadow here, candle close below it, and then you have to switch here immediate in a 1 minute time frame, then you can sell here, correct? And same process will be applicable when market taken out this high and this low, right? And this thing will be continue. If market momentum is always taken out the high, then you can sell for the short term. But when market taken out the low, then you can buy for the higher time frame, like a measure move, because pro trend is a bullish. Okay, like this. It is the internet. Actually, in the evening time, internet very slow in my area. Actually, I live near Air Force area, so here no internet tower actually. Same scenario from 15 video. Yes, sir. Then we could do it in a morning, but morning is not like possible for everyone. Actually, in a we should buy your satellite. Actually, we have to switch timing, weekly webinar timing in a morning shift. If possible for everyone, if you agree everyone, then we can. Actually, in a evening time, in my area, internet completely stuck, right? By the Air Force. Yes, Sunday morning is better. Okay. Morning not possible. Where do you live? I live in India, in Uttar Pradesh. Actually, in my area, morning connection is smooth. I mean, very smooth. That time we can a weekly webinar, right? I'm also from UP. Okay. We're in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly city. So, please think of European members. That's why I take a weekly webinar during in a evening time, because everyone are available that time. But in a morning time, some European members are not available. Your voice is clear now. Yes, thank you. Let's do it how much we can today. That's why I'm saying we can weekly market recap, and after that we will do some quick question answer, right? And the next time we can reschedule in a morning time. Okay. So today in a webinar, we can market recap and question answer, which will be good. Record for yourself, then post in Discord. Yes, that's good. I can. Backtesting is important. Yes, important, but main thing that if internet is stuck or this thing, then connection are weaker. So backtesting, we need a complete, like high, everything is clear, like internet and other thing. Okay, but it's okay. Let's see. So right now, this is our GBP structure. Okay. So when market taken out the low or high, and then you have to switch in a 1 minute time frame, right? So right now, momentum is completely in arranging. And when you see like this structure and this type of momentum, then you have to do one thing, take trade when market taken out the high and low. Simple, right? Because in this case, you will see both side change of character as per our 15-minute time frame. Okay. And as a day trader, we need only one POI and you have to stick in a lower time frame, then buy or sell. One trade in a day is enough, right? So my suggestion is if you make backtesting video, we don't want weekly webinar. We want more and more educational videos. Yes, that's good idea. Okay, let's do some market recap. And after that, I will solve some quick question answer. Right. So this is a overall structure right now in a ZVP USD. Everything looks in a market in a ranging. And you have to take action when market taken out the high or low or taken out the session high or low, as we have done in a trading up 3.0 in a session timing. Single candle mitigation. Sir, single candle mitigation will be explained in a part 16, which will be available this week anytime. Maybe it's take 1-2 days. Okay. And look at this one, this low is here. And this structure turn here. This is our last structure, low, high, this one. Because just above it, this is our last break of structure, candle close above it, and market push downside and break this low. And candle close above it, this become our change of character is here, right? And then what happened here? Market push downside and create new lower low at this point. So where is our possible scenario? First one after taking out the inducement, and next one after taking out the engineer liquidity right now here. Okay. So what happened here? This is our inducement, and where is our engineer liquidity? You have to identify where is our unmitigated area. This one. This one, first attempt here. Okay. And this high act like our engineer liquidity right now. Actually, market respect this side. Oh. Perfect. Because this shadow is also unmitigated here. Let me show you exactly. Yes, this is unmitigated. Right. So market momentum is a various as per the 15-minute time frame. And this is our lower low here. and market tap on your extreme POI. And once market break the first low in a various market, so this become our chalk, and this area become our supply zone. When up we can take entry for the sell, and this entire candle is here. This candle act like our POI. Why? Because price taken out the previous internal high. In this case, we don't need wait for inducement, as we know, and we can sell here in a lower time frame structure. Again push downside and candle close below it. This become our like a again break of structure right now. आपने जो shadow किया है order block consider करें उसे. These type of shadow act like a supply zone, right, which is unmitigated. Okay. So we can see some downside move in a GBP/USD as per our 15-minute, and this is our supply zone. Okay, tap here and push downside, break this low, again market push downside. This is not a structure broke here, so you have to wait for it to complete break the structure, and then you can expect our next move like this. Again, taken out the inducement, mitigate here, and then push downside, and target is the previous 15-minute low. Okay. And the next pair is gold. I will do main pairs today. First of all, you have to check. Yes, USD all pairs in a ranging in a lower time frame. Look at the 15-minute structure first. Yes, sir. In a 15-minute structure, gold are looking to continuation, but there is no strong trend to the upside. Okay, so first of all, mark the structure is here. This is our higher high, and this become our inducement. After taking out the inducement, we can confirm this higher high. Break this structure is here. This one become our break of structure because candle close of it. And after this break of structure, what happened? This become our like a higher low, and this become our break of structure. Higher high is here, and taken out the inducement, push downside. Okay, and again, what happened here? Market break this high, and this become our new break of structure is here. Hello. Okay, so this become our new break of structure because market close above it, and after close above it, where is our higher low? This is our deepest point. So this is our new higher low. Again, what happened here? Look at this picture is here. Market continue going higher high, and where is our higher high? In this case, you have to mark your valid inducement. In this leg, where is our inducement? First one is here, which is our first pullback is here, right? But market not break this low, but market create internal new high, which one is here at this point. And finally, market taken out this inducement is here. So once market taken out this high, sorry, this low, and then our higher high is a confirm here. Okay. So what happening here? Again, market break the previous measure high is there and close above it. So once market close above it, our higher high, sorry, our low, higher low is a confirm here. Okay. And again, same thing happen here. Market taken out the inducement. Where is inducement in this case? We have to identify where is our first pullback. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one is our first pullback is here because this previous candle taken out the previous low, and this become our valid pullback, right? So once market taken out the pullback, our higher high is a confirm in a bullish market, and now we have arranged this high to this low. Okay, and you have to wait for to complete break the structure is here. If market break this high and this become our new break of structure is here, right? And once market break this one and close above it, so this become our valid break of structure. To consider a new higher high, price must be taken out the inducement. So in this leg, where is our higher high and where is our inducement? First of all, you have to check inducement. This is our inducement. So market taken out this one. Okay. And our higher high confirm here because this is our highest point. Market taken out this inducement. Okay. And where is our higher low? In this case, this is our deepest point. Higher high, higher low, again higher high. And now we have a range between this low to this high. Okay. And if you mark the lowest point is here, look at this. Okay. So price taken out the liquidity, right? So there is no indication that this is our chalk. Okay. So this is just liquidity taken out. So if market taken out the liquidity and we are looking for the bias, right? And this is our internal structure. In this internal structure, you can play in a both side. First one, after taking out the inducement, where is our unmitigated order block? You have to identify. Okay. So look at this one. This picture is here. And this one is already mitigated here by this shadow. So we can switch this one, and this one is also mitigated here, right? So only this order block is here when we can take entry for the buy at this point. Okay. Price type here, give small reaction and push downside. Then what happen here? If market break the, break the multiple times, it means this demand is not, not able to sustain this for the buyers. Okay. Because we have one more PY. Where is our next PY? Next PY is here on the extreme level at this point. So when you have a multiple PY for the buy or sell, okay, and first PY gives any reversal indication, then definitely you can take entry here for the sell. Okay. First attempt here, market push downside. So how we can take entry in this case? First of all, you have to check here. And this one, first attempt here, break this one, also break here. So these are indication that market are not able to sustain this one. Taken out this high, tap on unmitigated order block, which one is here, and then you can sell. Simple. Here. This is our supply point. right? And where is our target if you are selling here? The extreme demand zone, which one is here? Because market momentum is a bullish, and you have no idea that market can continue go higher. Okay, but if price broken this one, and then we can think in a both side probability. First attempt up here, but again next time market breach this one. So these are indication that market not able to hold this one. Correct. So we can sell here. So now when we can sell here? First one, you have to identify where is our inducement. Look at this one. In this case, where is inducement? There is no inducement in this leg. This is our completely first structure, single leg structure. But you have to wait for to create inducement. This low, broken this one. So you have to identify in this leg where is our inducement. Where is inducement? This high. So you can sell here after taking out this one. And this is our first entry for the short term. Okay. And but market taken out the major low is also here. So you have to think in a both side probability. First one is about taken out the buy, and the next one taken out the inducement, right? So when market taken out the major low, right? So buy side probability is much higher compared to the sell one, because price not close below it. If price close below it, so this become our high probability for the sell. Okay, but right now market taken out the low, so you have a very highly chances that market fill this shadow peak and then continue go higher. Okay. Okay, so this is a current situation in a gold. Okay. Now switch again in a next pair, the Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. Start from the daily time frame first. Delete all things. Okay. So this is our current price action in a Bitcoin right now. Okay. So what happening here? Look at this picture is here, and what is next possible scenario in this case? And where is our next PY? Look at this structure. This one is our lower low at this point. Why? Because market taken out the inducement. Where is inducement? This one, because this one is our first pullback when we can when market taken out this high and our lower low confirm here, because this candle taken out the previous candle high. This become our valid pullback, right? And if market break this low and then market confirm break of structure, because market momentum is completely bearish. All right. So let's see. Okay. So finally market close below it. Once market close below it, our this boss confirm here, and our higher low, sorry, lower high also confirm here at this point. Okay. And you have to identify where is our like a recent high, which is act like a inducement to confirm the new lower low. So first of all, you have to check this low taken out or not. Okay, this one is taken out. So where is our first pullback? Is here. This one is also, but this shadow is much better because this is our larger main candle and everything is inside between this candle high or low. Correct? Okay. But actually, if you can see, this is our like microstructure. Main inducement is here. Ask me why. Because exactly that's not valid. Correct. Because the master candle is here, right? But master candle broke this one. Okay. So this is everything is inside between this high and low, right? And this is inside. Okay, and main inducement is here. So price must be taken out of this inducement. If market taken out this one, actually market taken out this one, and we can sell here for the first priority. I mean, first POI when we can sell. And the where is our next POI? You have to identify where is our next unmitigated zone. Look at this one, right? This is our next unmitigated POI, and right now price trading on nearly supply zone. Which one is here? So if price type here, then definitely we are looking for the sell. This is our next PY when we can take entry for the sell. This is our lowest low. But if price close over it and break this high, this become our chalk as per the daily time frame. And right now price trading on supply zone, okay, and price can be tapped here. And if you wanna refine this order flow, I mean this order block supply zone, you have to switch here again, at least in a 1 hour time frame actually, because you are trading on daily time frame. Let's see what happening here in a 1 hour time frame. Because price type here and gives you I mean any unmetered order block, which area will be much higher, I mean very high probability. Look at this shadow, this last buying move before the stop. So if price type here, then you can expect a sell side move. As we did in a 15-minute and 1-minute time frame. Look at this. Okay. So in future, if market type here, then this area is a much better for this sell here. Right? Because if you are thinking if price type here, for example, let me show you exactly. Price type here, okay, and then break the first low is here, okay, and you are looking here for sell, which is a, I mean good, but look at this one. This is our just order block in a higher time frame, but for the refinement and for the high probability, you have to first mitigate this one. Okay, if price tap, mitigate this one and keep any chalk, and which is much, I mean valid for the sell. Okay, but if you are willing to sell here when price tap on the daily time frame order block, then you have to put the stop loss just above it, not here. Okay, because you are selling here, okay, putting the stop loss above it, then what happen here, market go higher, taken out your stop loss and then push downside. So this is the current situation in a Bitcoin as per the 1 hour time frame and daily time frame. And as per the 1 hour time frame, this is our higher high and this is our higher low. Market break the high, become our valid pre-off structure is here because momentum is a bullish in a 1 hour time frame. Correct? Candle close over it, push downside. You have to wait for taking out the inducement. It is inducement this low, right? So market not taking out this one low. So price can be, I mean, break this high and then taking out this inducement, then our higher high will be confirmed here and this high transfer here to here, right? Overweight chalk. No, sir, this is a not IDM because this previous bullish candle break the this bearish candle high and then market continue pushing downside. And this is a single leg move, right? In a 15-minute new low. Yes, exactly. Maybe actually in a different time frame, different scenario, but you have to stick on your time frame. Correct. As a daily time frame structure, if you are using daily time frame structure or demand supply, because this is a very larger time frame, then you have to switch in a, at least 1 hour time frame. Lower time frame, you have to take at least 10x. Okay. नितिन कुमार, मैं बरेली से हूँ। आप कहाँ से हो? आप बरेली में कहाँ से हो? टेक्स्ट मी ऑन टेलीग्राम। I live near Nainital Road, Bareilly, near Air Force. What time frame fit for office employee? Actually, as a office employee, it's up to you that if you wanna trade on live, like for 1 hour and 2 hours, you have time and you are planning to buy a sell immediate in a lower time frame, then you can take 15 minutes and 1 minute for entry, which is a perfect as a day trader. But if you are willing to take trade, if press tab on your POI and then trade and forget for the next few hours and few days, right? Then you have to take at least 4 hour and 15 minutes. Correct. Please, Mr. Khan, very necessary that market structure markup section in a major pair, EU, gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, share markups. Yes, sir, I will do also markups in a community. Actually, as you know, I'm making content 3.0. That's why I'm busy to making content for you, and some possibly some diagrams also will be published, and previous content will be completely replaced. Any chance offline classes? No, sir. Right now there is no chance for offline class. A lot of members and subscriber ask me to join offline classes, but in the future maybe. But right now there is no plan. Do you look SPX, SPY? Would you the same principle? Yes, sir. Same principle will be applicable in every market. Forex, crypto, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and indices and synthetics pair everywhere. How many trades do you trade on a week personally? Last 2 months, I'm not plus any single trade in a December and January month. Actually, after finish this all work, I will start trading in a February month after a few days. अगर प्रीवियस डे का कैंडल हाई लो ब्रेक करती है तो प्रेजेंट कैंडल बट क्लोजिंग के लिए 12 घंटे का टाइम बच जाता है, तो हम 15 मिनट में फर्स्ट लो को इंड्यूसमेंट मान सकते हैं. To take entry based on the previous day candle high or low, you have to wait for when market is a bullish, okay, break the previous high, okay, then you have to switch in a 15-minute instantly. You don't need to wait for candle closer. Candle closer take around 24 hours completely, okay. And break the 15-minute low, then you can take entry as per our entry plan, which is already covered for Indian stock. It's work. Yes, yes, sir. Always choose high volume pair. Yes, sir. For Indian stock, it's work. Let's check a bank Nifty chart. What happening here? After that, I will start quick question answer. Oh my God, this is happening very bad. Bank Nifty. What is average risk reward in SMC? I think 5 hour average and maximum 10 hour is enough as a SMC trader. You don't need to focus to gain 20 hour, 50 hour, and 100 hour. Right. And also don't try to uh, cut your stop loss like 2 pips, 3 pips, and 1.5 pips. Right. Always set your stop loss based on the structure. Again, internet issue. Sorry. Okay, so this is a current situation in a bank nifty as per daily time frame structure, and market momentum completely varies and everything looks bearish. Okay, and if you start mapping the structure as per the daily time frame, this is our higher high, and taking out the inducement, confirm this higher low and break the previous high, which is here. Correct. So what happened here? Market pick this high and candle close over it. So when price close over it, let me enable the no gap candle. Okay, this is not. This become our break of structures here. Push downside and continue going higher high. And at this time, what happened here? This is our inducement right now. And this one is our break of structure.